What's up? My name is Preston Allen, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the most significant volcanic events in U.S. history, which was the 1914 through 1917 eruptions of Mount Lassen in Northern California. These eruptions not only had a profound impact on local landscape, but also provided valuable opportunities for scientists to study the volcanic activity and the eruptions in real time. The Mount Lassen eruptions were the first major volcanic eruptions in the contiguous United States since the 1980s eruption of Mount St. Helens. Mount Lassen is located in Cascade Range in Shasta County and is part of the Lassen Volcanic National Park. This park is still celebrated today and it serves as a living laboratory of volcanic activity. The eruptions that occurred between 1914 and 1917 were marked by several phases, each contributing to the understanding of volcanic processes and shaping the landscape of the region. The first eruption took place on May 30th, 1914, and it sent a big wave of smoke that you could see in the picture on the right. And it signaled the start of the series of all these eruptions that would happen in the next few years, each one getting bigger than the next and more dangerous up until the point of May 22nd, 1915, when the most notable and most dangerous eruption happened. And the reason why this eruption was so dangerous was because of how powerful and how explosive it was. It produced a lot of ash clouds and it sent frogs flying into the air, and it also created a huge crater at the base of it. The eruption alone was one of the most significant volcanic events in US at the time. During the eruption sequence from 1914 to 1917, there are several types of volcanic activity, including phreatic explosions, which are eruptions that are caused by steam, pressure, and heated groundwater. Along with this was the lava flows that completely reshaped all of the terrain. Um, these eruptions also resulted in the formation of lava domes that is uh a geological feature that would become a focus of scientific study. The development following the eruptions was was crazy because the volcanologists and geologists were able to study these eruptions, like I said earlier, and the volcanic activity, like the lava flows and the fumaroles that are vents and that release steam and gases. They're offered invaluable insights into the inner workings of volcanoes, and scientists were able to observe the development of the volcanic features like lava domes and pyroclastic flows, gaining a lot of knowledge that would inform future volcanic research. In addition to this, the scientific significance, the eruptions had a lasting impact on the region's tourism industry. Um, with the park being created, the park would become a sanctuary for those wishing to see the beauty and the destruction that happened at the time. As you could see in this crater right here, the destruction, as well as the beauty of the park in this picture right here. The eruption of Mount Lassen helped to put this region in Northern California on the map, uh, and contributing to its preservation as a national park and solidifying its role in scientific education and tourism. Now, with all this being said, the eruptions of Mount Lassen between 1914 and 1917, they weren't just a dramatic series of volcanic events. They were a turning point in the study of volcanology and the history of U.S. geology. The eruptions provided a lot of data and researched the local environment, and it also laid the groundwork of the ultimate establishment of the national park. Um, with this being said, I just want to thank you for listening, and I hope you liked it.